How do you help your disabled family member who receives government benefits but may be coming into an inheritance? I'm 𝗲𝗲𝗵𝗲𝗍 of Zammitti Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are seeking assistance with estate planning or probate administration in New York or New Jersey, you can reach out to us for a free consultation at 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝑟𝑃LANNING.com. And speaking of value, we're here to educate everyone for free. So please ask questions and, of course, share so that we can help some folks together along the way. I actually had a call just yesterday with a brother who was basically helping his brother who lives with him in all aspects. He is not yet designated as his guardian, but perhaps would need to be so. Before reaching that level to help care for that individual and protect and handle his finances, there needs to be some caution made to know whether or not that person is actually deemed disabled. Through a court, they would do an assessment to determine if that person is capable of making their own decisions relative to both health and financial matters. If they are able to make their own choices and will be receiving an inheritance, there is a potential way of setting up what we would call a supplemental needs trust. It'd be a first-party supplemental needs trust. Basically, that individual creates a trust for themselves with monies they've received. It can be used for things outside of the government benefits. It will be insulated, but at their passing, the monies will go back to the government, anything that's remaining. We don't often suggest the use of this type of tool unless the assets are fairly significant because the processing costs, the upkeep, the administration, it doesn't warrant that type of process. Instead, however, you can consider what's called an ABLE account. And for ease of recognition, I'm going to look at it real quick. It's Achieving a Better Life Experience. That's what ABLE stands for. And every state has this type of account for disabled parties, which is essentially a savings account, a place where they can invest some money and not lose their federal benefits. It's a very cool thing. Again, I do believe, and I'm not an expert at ABLE accounts, but I do believe that if there are monies remaining at the end of that person's passing, it will go back to the state who's offered benefits. But it is a way for them to, maybe find some independence in the use of those monies, and also then have some flexibility for the things supplemental to the government benefits that they may not receive otherwise. So look into ABLE account if you're in this circumstance. The gentleman yesterday was very appreciative, and it could help many families out. So ABLE is the title of the savings account for disabled parties across the country. Take a look at it in your state if it's appropriate for you. Again, I'm 𝗲𝗲𝗵𝗲𝗍 of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning firm in New York and New Jersey. We help families find peace of mind through our high client value services. And if you are seeking assistance in estate planning or probate administration after someone's passing, you can reach out to us for a free consultation at 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝑟𝗃LANNING.com. We hope you've learned something new here today. And please don't forget to share. And as always, take care.